Here I got a better solution to market your digital product or service by using this formula. This is called STEPPS formula. Actually, you can generate this kind of a thing by using Jeda AI platform, which is a cool platform. You can generate diagrams, you can generate anything that you like, maybe mind map, analysis, flowcharts, wireframes, and there are a lot of things that you can generate by using Jeda AI. By the way, let's learn about how we can use STEPPS formula to market our contents, maybe digital products or digital services or physical products or services. Okay, guys, and here actually this analysis uses the steps formula: social currency, triggers, emotions, public, practical values, stories. So this is this was introduced by, I think, Jonah wait actually it's Jonah Berger, I think. Okay, the Jonah Berger was the one who introduced this formula. By the way, it has about 6 principles. So you can see: social currency, trigger, emotions, public, practical values, stories. Okay, these are the 6 principles you got. And here you can see, on Jeda AI, social currency is in one category, and the next category you can see the triggers and emotions and public, practical values and stories. Let's look into them. Okay, now you can see social currency got how can the web design service make customers feel accepted, popular, or part of an exclusive group. Yeah, let's see what are the suggestions. Okay, just think these are the suggestions you got for your digital product or service. Actually, I will show you how you can generate kind of a thing by using Jira AI later. But just remember, you have to learn about this and how to work with that. Okay, actually this says offer customized and personalized web designs that make client feels unique and special. Maybe it's a general thing, but if you didn't have any idea how to market your web design services, so now you got one. Okay, and especially this one: create a community or forum. So I think you know about the community or forum. I mean, maybe you can use my bb, or maybe you can use vanilla forum. Okay, you can type. I will show you how you can in technical part. Okay, there's a thing called vanilla forum. Okay, vanilla forum. As I remember, this is there are free and paid. Yeah, free and paid, both are there. By the way, you can use free. Okay, you can use it for free if you got a cpanel. Actually, then you can install it easily without any other issues. Okay, by the way, this is kind of a forum. So here customers can come to this forum and they can share their experiences, how they like it, and what are the issues they got. And it means customers got a very good trust with you. And especially if you can reply to them, actually this is not a kind of issue, maybe this is an issue, sorry for us, and like that, then it will build trust. Make sure that you got a forum for your business, maybe your product or service, like that. Okay, actually it's not a necessity for every business that you got, but especially for digital services, yeah, definitely you need to have a forum. And also it says create a community of forum clients share the experiences, insights and feedback. Yeah, that's the point I mentioned. And it's about the thing: highlight the business you worked with, highlight the businesses you worked with. If you work with maybe a big client, so you can highlight them. Okay, maybe small client, you can highlight them. And also remember, most of the small businesses, actually they just actually go to somewhere, especially after 5 years or 10 years, like that. So remember that you can promote them in the beginning, and then you can get the advantages after they got into that point. Okay, and also you can see here special, well-known or prestigious ones to create a sense of exclusivity. Okay, actually you can think about this one also if you need to market your web design service. Actually this is only for web design services. If you type as maybe digital marketing services, maybe you need to sell a shoe, actually you will get a different kind of scenarios, not like this. Okay, triggers. Let's talk about the triggers. What cues or prompts can trigger the desire for a new or updated website design? So how the customer can think about you to design something. Okay, you can offer promotions. So promotion is a great factor, right? You can offer promotions, discounts around key business events, or season when businesses may be more inclined to refresh their online. So you can see that now we got happy new year, happy new not happy new year, single and Tamil new year. Okay, so in this kind of a season, so there are a lot of business opportunities, especially for fashion things. Okay, so most of the people are trying to get more and more clothes in the for the season, especially this season. And we can't go to shops. Actually there are a lot of people in the shops. So actually I just don't like to get some clothes with all the people there, but most of the people go and then most of the people are profitable in these days. So seasons are like seasons, okay? So you can attract customers by giving some promotions, maybe offers to maybe two in one offers and maybe all in one offers like that. So you can use that method. So also for the web designing services you can do the same, okay? Anyways, leverage social media ads and retargeting to reach businesses that have recently launched new products or services. So this is a great technique that you can use. So I'm not going to explain what is this, but if you need to know about this, so you can double click on this and then you can type slash, then you can click on this analysis option here. Then Jedi AI will do the rest, and Jedi AI will give you more and more contents about what is this actually, how you can leverage social media ads and retargeting to reach business. So you can get that idea. And until it generating, actually it generates the thing, and I'm going to say, actually I'm going to show about send email campaign. So if you don't know what is email campaign, actually you can get more emails from the potential customers, and you can find them. Okay, anyhow, by the way, you can send some promotions, offers, or anything that you got, any update you got about your business, especially how you can how you can cater their requirements like that, actually by using email campaign. So it will make your customer potential very high. And this is the thing I could generate from that paragraph, I think. And audience identification, at creative and copy, and retargeting strategies, and campaign optimization. As a marketer, okay, you can use these kind of things, especially these are the ideas, man. Okay, if you don't have any idea, so you have to get ideas, you have to read them. Actually in Jedi AI you can do a lot of things, especially if you don't know what to do. However, I'm going to go with STEPPS formula again. Here I got the emotion category, emotion principle. I will say principle. And what emotions can the web design service work in potential customers? So emotions is a better factor that you can target on customers, and it's actually especially convey a sense of professionalism. Professionalism is better thing. Okay, actually I'm not a professional guy because I need to be friendly. Sometimes I need to be professional. Okay, I need the both, but some businesses need the professional environment. Actually they are just professional. Okay, the customers always like to give their work to professional team, and especially even they're professional, they need to be trusted and also reliable. Okay, so you can show customers how you are reliable and how you can be trusted and like that. So however you have to use the fast customers testimonials, maybe high quality work. I mean, maybe whatever you got a portfolio, then you have to share all the portfolio, actually all the works you got with the customers to build the trust and reliability. Guys, then again, inspire creativity and innovation by showcasing unique and visually appealing designs. So this is the general factor, but there's a very very great thing that you can use more. Actually you have to double click on this and then you can type text. You don't have to type text, but you can click on this text option here, then you will be able to get what is this. Well, actually if you don't have any idea about this one, okay, this paragraph or whatever you got, actually you can get more ideas like where you can get more things by using Jedi AI text feature. Actually it will work like ChatGPT, like this. Here you got the thing, and it says here are some ways to inspire creativity and innovation through unique and visually appealing designs. So you have to read this. You have to do a research, right? You always do research with Google. So why don't you do that research by using Jedi? Guys, this is so cool. However, wait, what of the public thing? How can the web design service leverage public behavior or visibility? So you can encourage clients to share their new websites on social media and tag the design service. Yeah, that's great. So you can ask clients to share the design they got, and actually by tagging yourself, actually I mean your business or maybe you or whoever it is. Then also offer portfolio gallery section on your website to showcase your best designs and client testimony. I already actually mentioned that in the, I think, emotion section. So you can give a portfolio to customers actually to build their trust. And also you can offer a portfolio gallery section in your website to showcase your best designs and clients testimonies. Yeah, the same thing, but it has a value. However, participate in local business events or conferences to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Yeah, you can go with, you go actually go to exhibitions, which has which has the capability to promote your business, and you can talk with your customers. Maybe you can talk with your anyone who comes to that exhibition, and also you can generate some leads by talking them. And there are a lot of opportunities that you can get. Maybe you can share a leaflet with them. Okay, whatever you got, sometimes it will be a lead, and you have to convert that lead into a business. That's all. And what about the practical value? What practical benefit can the web design service offer to customers? Okay, highlight the potential for increased online visibility, lead generation, and sales through a well-designed website. So you have to design a cool website. If you're a designer, so why can't you design a great website for your customers, so they can be surprised by seeing your website? So that's the point, right? So provide training and resources to help clients manage and update their website independently. So I do that. Okay, when I make a website for some clients, actually I really give them a recorded series. This is the way how you can use your website, especially they can do it independently. They don't need to depend on myself or my company. Okay, that's the point. So you can get the reliability and trustability by using that kind of a technique. Especially they like that. Actually they need to be independent always, but actually they don't like to be dependent. But the problem is most of the companies, they try to get them dependent on their company or whatever I got. However, offer ongoing website maintenance and optimization services to ensure long-term performance and user experience. Offer ongoing website maintenance and optimization services to ensure long-term performance and user experience. Actually, making a website is not hard. You can make a website, but the problem is you have to give a better website maintenance plan. Okay, without a website maintenance, maybe website can be hacked sometimes. Okay, there are, if just think about WordPress. If you develop a WordPress website, then if you got some security issues, maybe plugin updates or whatever you got, okay, actually then that website can be down in maybe 4 months or 5 months. It depends. Okay, it depends on your first performance. By the way, if you can offer a great website maintenance proposal for customers, and how maybe optimization proposal for customers, then it will be very very great for all the customers and you. Okay, and let's see about the stories. How you can use stories? What stories or narratives and can the web design service share to connect with customers? So you can share success stories of how a well designed website help a business grow and achieve its goals. I think it's kind of a case studies. Okay, so you can write a case study how a business got more customers by using the designed website by yourself. Okay, the website design you made, and how they reached, and how they got the message, and how they converted. Like that, you can use you can share a case study with all the customers, new customers who comes to read that in the website. And share behind the scenes stories of the design process. I mean, before the final product, we do a lot of things. Yeah, right. Actually, maybe we sketch things, and we plan things, we write them, and we process them. There are a lot of things that we do before we design a website. Okay, actually then you can share some of them, not all of them. You can share some of them to communicate with the new customers. Maybe they see them. Actually then they will definitely come to your business, because they got a very good solution from your things. Actually, most of the people, especially just think about Figma design. Okay, if you can offer a Figma design before you make the final product, actually it will make the customer more satisfied, because they got the result in the beginning. Okay, the final result in the beginning, and they approved that, and finally you can work it without any issues, and also customers are very satisfied with the first beginning. Okay, and no matter what, you can get the final budget as expected, and also you won't be able to, actually you won't need to work anymore longer. By the way, collaboration with clients and the team's dedication to delivering exceptional results. Actually, just think you got a meeting with all your employees about that product. Okay, actually you can share that meeting with maybe on Facebook, on your website, or whatever you got. Okay, then it will make the customers very satisfied. Highlight the journey and challenges overcome in creating a particularly complex or innovative website design. Okay, these are the things that you can get. Actually you can use to market your digital content, maybe digital service, digital product, or whatever you got. By the way, how you can generate this kind of a service and this kind of a thing? And here you can go to AI menu on Jedi AI, and then you can click on this marketing option, and then here you can scroll down and you can see the steps formula. Just click on it, and here you have to fill some fields for what and for whom and goal of purpose, and you have to fill only these red marks. But actually if you need to make more targetable, actually then you have to fill others also. And here I'm going to type here, I need to market the digital marketing service. Okay, I'm going to market the digital marketing service, and who I'm targeting. Okay, let's see. Businessmen, mm, teachers, and who others? Okay, teachers. That's enough. I don't get any ideas. Okay, that's why I just stop that. By the way, you can type more and more roles. How it goes of purpose? To increase the sales. Okay, guys, and what are the key factors how you are focusing on? Actually, I'm not focusing on anything. And here, Jedi got multimodal architecture here, and GPT 3.5, GPT-4, Cloud 3 Haiku, Cloud 3 Sonnet. So I'm really targeting on GPT-4 and Cloud 3. That's better. And here for this, I'm using Sonnet. Okay, generate. Click on the generate, and now you have to wait until it generates something. Let's wait a few seconds, I think. I'm not cutting this video because it's a live video, so you can see that. Okay, and especially please like this video, comment this video, and share this video with your all the colleagues on your company. Maybe if you are a student, so you can share this with your friends. Okay, and it will really helpful for me and also for your friends. Okay, let's wait. Okay, great. Now you can see I got the suggestions here. Actually, the STEPPS formula is a framework for creating successful marketing campaigns by incorporating elements that drive engagement, sharing, and conversions. So I think you got it right. Okay. This analysis examines how each component of the formula can be applied to promote a digital marketing service to businessmen and teachers with a goal of increasing sales. So let's see what are the things we got. Social currency position the service as a way for business and education to stay ahead of curves in the digital age, highlight the benefits of being part of a community of forward thinking professionals who leverage digital marketing to achieve their goals. And you can use these triggers. Okay, offer regular webinars, newsletters, or blogs post with tips and case studies on a successful digital marketing strategies. The same things, but there are some differences, you can see, right? Not the same thing. And share industry news and updates that highlight the importance of digital marketing for business and educational institution. Let's double click on this one. Okay, wait, just click on outside the scope and then double click on this and then type slash, then you will be able to see some options here, and I'm going to click on this analysis option. Then it will do a very rough analysis about share industry news and updates that highlight the importance of digital marketing for business and education institutions fact. Okay, let's see what it generates now. Okay, this is a long video, I think. By the way, I hope you got some value for the time you spent. Okay, this is the thing that you got. Digital marketing, a game changer for business and educational. What is this? Institute, I think. Yeah, institution. Yeah, it should be institution. By the way, industry news and updates, benefits for businesses and benefit for educational institutions. So you don't need Google anymore. You can use Jedi AI to make your life better, actually make your life easier. Okay, guys, I think you got the value, and I'm going to actually end this video. Thank you for watching this video. Especially subscribe my YouTube channel to learn more about maybe business, ICT type of things, and AI things. And there are a lot of things I can give you, I think. And these days I'm following my MBA. I hope I will be able to do some more things in the future with the knowledge I got from my MBA. Thank you very much. Bye.